Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching Smart English Learning. Today I want to talk about some of the words that we often overlook, thinking that they are very simple and we are well aware of these words. That is our big mistake. As an English learner, you may already know that English is a complex language. You have a grammar, vocabulary, idioms, expression, and various contexts and rules to consider when making a sentence. There are also many confusing words that may means the same to you but are used for specific situations. I would like to share some words that are very easy to read and write, but many of us do not know when and where to use these words. Today, I will talk about verbs for the senses, including hearing and listening. Hearing and listening have to do with your ears. They are similar and can be confusing. So let's learn what context they can be used in so you can sound correct and more natural. To listen, you require concentration and means you are paying attention. It also means you choose to do this action to get information and learn from somebody. You also use this with the preposition such as to and for, like listen to, listen for, listen out for. Let's take a look at some examples to help us better understand where and when to use it. Grandpa listens to the radio every morning. Next is let's listen out for the news on the coming typhoon. If you want to improve your pronunciation, listen to more English broadcasts. The last example is if you want to learn a song, you listen to it over and over. Next verb is hear. With hearing, no concentration or focus is needed. You are only receiving the sound waves to your ears, whether you choose to or not. This is when there is a sound or noise around you and you can't help but hear it. You become aware of an unexpected sound in your environment. Let's take a look at some examples. Do you hear those huge trucks passing by? Can you please speak louder? I can't hear you. When you can't hear someone well because their voice volume is too low and doesn't reach your ears very well. I am not interested to hear that. This is for cases when you don't want to know certain information about someone or something. The last example is have you heard from your mom lately? This means getting any news from your mom, whether through a phone call, text message, or a letter, that would somehow give you an update about her. I hope this video helps you the next time you decide which word to use. It may take a while to master these, but no worries. As they say, practice makes perfect. Thank you.